Just see how she goes. Just hope it's got enough power to fight the wind. That's what I think.
Oh yeah, no shit.
Second is sinking. You know, a 30-year-old hull.
Oh my God. 30-year-old boat, huh?
Uh-huh. I think it's a 92.
Holy crap.
Hit reverse on the opposite one. Makes it turn a little tighter. That's what you had back then.
Oh yeah. Dude, and back then this was fast. It's like full power, huh?
Oh,
Yeah, back then that was actually fast.
this is on 3S right now.
Jeez.
9.6.
God.
You know, at the pond at the house when you're a kid, this is fast compared to getting that.
Oh yeah. I mean, dude, I'm impressed it's doing as good as it is being 30 years old on the water.
Look at the wake on it.
I know.
That's, you know, idle speed would be about nowadays.
Oh yeah. That's cool as hell.
Check if we got water in there.
Probably halfway filled up. Well, I don't know. It hasn't really.
Yeah, we don't have any LBC on this, so we gotta check it out. Run that up the road. First looks pretty good.
That's good. Oh yeah.
She made her back.
Nice. Hell yeah.
Wow. It looked good out on the water after all them years, though.
Oh yeah, it did. I'll take a picture of it.